to kick up your creativity this morning, an idea that you might say is old school cool. Back in the day, you might show your school spirit by pinning up one of these long triangle flags with your school name on it. Now you can find vintage pennants in secondhand shops and in modern storefronts too. And safe to say, Michelle Hinckley sort of has a thing for pennant flags. Is that fair to say?
Just a little
thing,
yeah.
little obsession, little
collection. Yeah.
Guess what? I get it. This is awesome. Like anyone who walks into this space just breaks into a grin. What do we love about these?
Oh, the color, the fun pop, the nostalgia. It's such a great decorating idea and pop to put in any sort of room.
And this is throwing it back. What's the era we're giving nod to here?
Oh gosh, 1920s, yeah. 1930s, 1940s. They really have been around for a really long time, but they're really making a resurgence right now, and people are just flocking to them and using them in their homes.
Why do you think the resurgence, Michelle, right now of all times?
I think that people are trying to find some more of like ways to put vintage into their decor, kind of make it more three-dimensional, not so everything is new, everything is pretty.
Everything's white.
Everything is, come on now.
Oh no, I like white just like you, that's not enough. Right. But it's fun to break it up with color, and this is such a unique way to do it.
Yes, absolutely,
okay,
I love this
how
trend.
readily available are they at the vintage shops or the antique stores?
So really, these are everywhere. You can find them on eBay, you can find them on Etsy. This collection is actually from a cute store in Sugar House called Haight & Ashbury. These will actually be for sale there. So after the show, run and get your pennant if you see one up here that you love.
People on our staff, Jeff in particular, giving nod to the old granite flag, right?
Yep,
Granite
yep.
High.
Isn't
and
that
you're
great?
seeing some other standout schools that may or may not be around anymore. What's the price point for a vintage pennant banner like this?
These you can actually find too at garage sales. You're finding them anywhere from $1. Some ones that are really rare go up to $100. So wow, there's a really big price range. Yeah.
What a score. Yeah. And I mentioned even appearing in modern day stores as kind of modern pieces to buy and purchase new.
Yes, so McGee & Company has got a lot of really cute ones. Pottery Barn. There's one down here that I found at Hobby Lobby.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they're really everywhere now and making a big resurgence.
We were seeing some inspiration pics, ways you can pull these in, photos that show how you can pull these into your home decor. How would you style these in a modern day home?
So I have found that people are using these in really creative ways. They're even just taping them to the wall with washi tape.
Just simple?
Simple. Right above a bed, kind of like as a bed frame, or excuse me, a headboard thing right above the headboard.
Okay.
Just tape them or nail them to the wall. I find that anytime you frame something, it just kind of ups the value a little bit more. So I framed this one.
Look
and
how
this
cool.
Sometimes when you go to a frame shop and you want to get something custom framed, it can be really expensive, especially when the frame is an odd shape. This frame I found at, I think it was TJ Maxx on clearance for $12.
Hello.
I popped out the print and then I put in my own pennant with some foam core. Easy peasy, really inexpensive, but it looks so much classier in a frame.
Absolutely, and the glass, I mean, it just enhances the artwork, right, and the color of the actual object. Does that mean something to you? Does it have to mean something to you?
No, well, so this is what I love about these pennants is so many times people will go on a vacation and they want to have a souvenir, but what on earth do you buy? Because sometimes it just comes home and it collects dust.
Oh, great idea.
These are such a fun way. You can get something from somewhere you've been. Anytime you see that flag, you think, ah, that was such a great trip we took to Mexico or wherever you went.
Great idea. Do you have any favorites? Point out just a few, because I think just looking at them is inspiring from a creative standpoint as well.
So I really like the color, like this. The color ones are they're all color, but the ones that have a really unique color, I just love, and they're so easy to replicate too. So I'm going to show you ways that we can do this. There's a lot of different ones and a lot of different ways that you can display these. In addition to the one in the frame, this is so cute. I am just dying over this. Check this pillow out. This is from the Vintage Pennant Peddler. She puts these pennants on pillows.
Oh my goodness.
And now you can have this on your sofa or on a kid's bed, and it just is a really cute way to display this.
And that's the pillow. That's the home decor accessory. Everyone will be saying, where did you get that? Where did you get that? It's a conversation piece.
Yes, and look how cute the back is. It's just so, and gives it a lot of nostalgia to a room.
This is vintage then?
This is a vintage one.
I spotted this one. Look at this one too. Also local tie. Salt Lake with the temple on it.
Yes, you can find that one at Haight & Ashbury. This is at the Vintage Pennant Peddler. Now, another one that is really cute that I am really liking is this little flag right here. That says Be Kind. That is from a cute little Etsy store called The Fox That Made. If you have a son or a daughter who have a lot of these little pins, it's a really great way to display their pins. Hang it on the wall, and now they've got a collection that's really adorable.
Well, yeah, the pin idea is kind of a trend in and of itself right now, kind of a collector's item. So
right.
And just, I know this kind of is the obvious application, but just stringing a bunch up as an actual banner, like banners within a banner. That's cute as well.
That's cute as well. Yes, I love that. And people are even making whole quilts out of tons of pennants in a circle. There's just so many ideas that are so cute.
All right, you said we could replicate this if we don't have the good fortune of getting our hands on an actual vintage item.
Right, right. So we're just going to make our own. And that's what I did here. My son's middle name is Sailor. And so I made this cute little banner for him.
Sailor?
Yeah,
cute.
Isn't that adorable?
Yes.
So I made this. This is from Hobby Lobby. You can find your own felt. This was 99 cents. This was 33 cents. Thicker,
kind of more stiff.
Right. So for under $1.50, you can make your own. And it took me about 25 minutes to do this.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is. I just cut all of this out from my more flimsy felt, and I cut it out. These are some stencils. You can cut this out on your computer or your Cricut.
Too.
Yes, this means something to you, doesn't it?
Hello, Boston. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
You're a cute little boy. So, and then we just put this felt and foam tacky glue onto the back of it.
Okay.
You just flip it over and glue it right on, and it is so easy. You can put this in their room. You can give it as a gift. It really is a fun way to customize and personalize something.
What a cute baby gift, or even a present topper.
Right, right. You're finding these at weddings. People are putting them on little sticks and putting them in a vase.
Now, I'm noticing this detail. Is this kind of a nod to the authentic design?
Yeah, you'll notice over here on a lot of these, they've got these little tassels here. Just kind of gives it a little bit more of an authentic look to your customized pennant.
And where did you find this stencil? Because there's something to the typography, the text, the font that you used that nods back to vintage and old school too.
Right, right. So I just did this on my computer. I have a Cricut that will cut these out for you. But if you don't, you could just do this in Word with your favorite font, cut out the stencil, trace it onto the felt, and then cut it out from the felt, glue it right on. You're done.
If you know you have babies coming from heaven this summer, what a great little project to tackle. Kind of gift those forward, or just to make up for your own kids' room. I think little boys' rooms in particular are hard to decorate sometimes.
They
I mean,
are
you know,
hard,
well,
yes.
not hard for you.
Right.
Not hard for this lady, but I find it tricky. So what a great way to pull in kind of some wall art and some wall accessories in a boyish way. I love it. Michelle, I love it. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
What's coming up on your website?
So I'm redecorating boys' rooms.
See, of course you are, right? Go to this girl.
Right,
yeah.
right. Yeah, they're just they're growing up. They're getting older. They're just kind of sick of the boy look. So yeah, I'm totally redoing everything for their rooms.
A little more grown-up look.
Yep.
We are excited to see that. Where can we find you?
formen1lady.com.
We got it. We'll link you over from our website too. When's the big reveal date? Do we have a reveal date for those makeovers?
Probably a month.
Mean of me to make you commit now, but we'll be looking in about a month from now and hoping and crossing our fingers. Thank you.